So just when we were growing to like Abhishek Bachchan all over again, and we still kind of do, but unfortunately he's decided to torture our ears with his new torture tactics.
Now Abhi, we know you think you're a rock star in the bathroom, but we're just glad we're not your neighbors.
Which is why when you rap, we've decided to do this.
ठाए ठाए तेरे गले की जलन ठाए ठाए कभी होगी नहीं कम ठाए ठाए oh look we got people dancing it's wonderful
AB Juniors discovered a new pastime.
it's so nice it's encouragement I like it actors need encouragement
And he ain't holding anything back.
ठाए ठाए दाएं बाएं मुड़ेगी ठाए ठाए ठिशक्यां उड़ेगी there you go
Hi, Tishkyo.
yeah you feel free to applaud it's actors like it thank you very much thank you simmer down it's okay I sign the autograph for you.
Wow, now that's a whole new side to this melody machine.
I think I sound good. I mean, I'm a bathroom singer, so I think I sound beautiful. I'm a terrible bathroom singer, but yes, I am a bathroom singer. It's a complaint my parents had before I got married, and now that I'm married, my wife has. Yeah, I really enjoy singing in the bathroom.
What's like your favorite song? What's the current track?
Currently, because Thai Thai has been readied and we've been working on that, that's the only one I've been singing. Which sounds a bit weird when you're taking a shower, if you think about the lyrics, My apologies to my neighbors if they're listening. I'm really sorry.
In fact, it's AB's new torture tactic.
I consider myself up there, but I mean, they have to go through the torture. I mean, they asked for it.
Okay, I'm asking for the torture in that sense. So can you
I just want to give a disclaimer to Arnab right now that I am not responsible for your viewers changing over to NDTV right now. Okay, when I start singing, and cue the light goes off. I mean, it's divine intervention.
Oops, our apologies. No, not just to our viewers, but to the Bachchan family too.
The catchphrase "Thai Thai Dishkyao" I think is something which has become very popular already in our household at least.
In the household, you mean have people kind of waking up to the sounds of Thai in the house now?
No, but that's a good idea. Thank you. Maybe tomorrow morning onwards, it'll become mandatory to play it in the Bachchan household. My mother already has it actually as her ringtone and caller tune. Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, I mean, she's my mother. I mean, most mothers will do that. They look upon like, oh, my son, he's done this. So yeah, she's emotional, so she's already put her as a caller tune.
Backup plan, eh?
It's a good kind of backup plan to have in case.
Yeah, I'm also doing a backup plan in journalism just in case.
Really?
Yeah, so maybe one day I'll interview you about a song you might have sung.
Any channel that you would like to join?
I think Times Now is nice.
Oh, AB, how we'd love for you to be on our side. Maybe then the caustic comments would finally die a natural death.